Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some absolutely gorgeous accommodation located in Tasmania. I was actually invited to come stay here for 2 nights by the wonderful host Linda. Thank you Linda if you're watching. This is by far the best place I have ever stayed in my whole entire life. As soon as I rocked up to this place I instantly fell in love. This is called the NAIVASHA tiny home. They also do have a cottage available, but the tiny home is absolutely perfect for 1 or 2 people. It is located not too far from the local town, but it's located far enough that you feel like you're in the bush. You actually don't have any cell reception out here too, but they do offer Wi-Fi, so if you want to stay connected you can, and if you don't want to talk to anyone you don't have to. I love where it is. You're surrounded by good old Australian bush and there's so much wildlife that just hangs around this area. It is incredible. As soon as I walked through the door they had beautiful jazz music playing and I instantly felt at home. I felt welcomed. There was a beautiful little note on the desk that just told me to make myself at home. It's little touches like that that I love to see in accommodation that just makes you feel really special as a guest and makes you just feel like one of a kind. There is one thing about this place which I think a lot of people book for, and that is the hot tub. The hot tub is located outside. It is perfect. You can just sit there when the sun goes down and watch all the animals and everything come out at dusk or dawn if you want to go for the morning. And there's a lot of animals, like I have seen wallabies, kangaroos, so many birds, rabbits. I haven't seen a wombat yet, but fingers crossed I see a wombat. The hot tub is lit and heated by fire, which again is a very unique thing to do. I've never seen a hot tub like that before, and the host will either light it for you before you get here so you can come and just get in the tub straight away, or you can light it yourself. I opted for them to light it because I had been driving around all day that day and I kind of just wanted to get there, relax and chill, which was very nice. It was the perfect temperature. There's enough room in there for 2 people to just relax. There's a little stool next to it so you can have some drinks and have little snacks and stuff. The rest of the outdoor area has a barbecue, and it also does have a seating area and a fire pit so you can light a fire at night and get all cozy out there and watch the stars. They do offer picnic blankets as well and picnic gear, so you can go and have a picnic during the day, or you can sit up there and stargaze at night and have a picnic. The interior is, I want to say, like it's a rustic, homey feel. That's what I got from it. There's a lot of wood elements and a lot of neutral tones. And there's also a lot of sage green. I love the colour sage green. This is like the perfect colour palette for me, which is why I think as soon as I walked in I felt instantly at home and just cozy. A lot of the furniture is made out of, I think it's made out of old furniture and they've just repurposed it, like the drawers in the kitchen, and then there's also the cabinet in the bathroom. As soon as you walk in you're greeted to this lovely little spot that I'm sitting on now, which is a window seat, and then you've also got this beautiful window behind me which just gives you incredible views outside into the bush, so you can just sit here in the morning or in the afternoon with a cup of hot chocolate and just watch the nature and the world go by. There's also a big fireplace. Now this is actually a quite big fireplace for a tiny home. Again, they fully set that up for me when I got here, so all I had to do was light it, and it does keep the place really warm, which is really nice and makes you feel really cozy in this cold Tassie weather. In the kitchen you've got a 2-burner stove, a fridge, a microwave, and they do also provide everything for coffee, tea and hot chocolates. They also provide little marshmallows too, which I love. And there is another feature too which I liked about this place, which is next to me there is a cabinet, and in the cabinet there is a TV. So I like the fact that they've hidden the TV away too, because again it just makes the area look very neat, tidy and clean. Also this is the perfect spot to curl up and watch Netflix at night. Netflix is included too, which is also a nice feature. They have a really fancy coffee maker. I can't remember the name of it, but it's like a drip coffee. I've never had a drip coffee before or done it, so I tried that this morning and it is a delicious coffee. They give you all the instructions and everything on how you need to do it, and they provide all the filters and everything, so, and I can do it, so it's pretty easy to make. But you definitely get enough coffee there to make several cups. I was able to make 2 just out of the 1 serving. You could easily make probably about 6 or 7 cups here if you wanted to. Seating area too, you get a pamphlet. The pamphlet has everything you need to know about staying at this place. It also includes things like how to light the hot tub, where to eat, what to do around the area, stuff like that. But they also do have a little thing of port, so you can help yourself to some port, and they have 2 chockies there as well. Never had port before, so we'll try that together. This is it. Even this, look how fancy that is. Cheers. That's good. Do I like port now? In the bathroom, which was a massive surprise to me because I knew it had the hot tub outside. I didn't know it had a clawfoot tub as well, which again, absolutely incredible to see 2 tubs in a tiny home. And that tub is very comfortable. It's been positioned very well so you can actually sit in there and look outside the window. So again, a beautiful place to sit and watch the day go by, and just a nice place to relax. Upstairs you've got your bedroom, which you've got a queen bed. You've got another window right next to the bed, or you've got some skylights up the top. The skylights are awesome because you can lay in bed and see the stars, and also if you wake up in the middle of the night and you look up, you've got stars above you. I would 100% recommend anyone comes and stays here, even if you're just looking for a weekend getaway from Hobart, or you're travelling around Tassie like myself and you want to go somewhere and just relax for a couple days. I could not recommend this place anymore. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to book here. Again, Linda is absolutely wonderful. She's a great host, and this place is just out of this world. I absolutely love it. But that is going to conclude this video, guys. Like always, if you like my videos, make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one because I still have heaps of adventures from Tassie to show you.